Before anything rises, there must be something that holds. And what holds is rarely seen. This is week 1, and this is where the visible begins with the invisible. Not content, not process, not strategy, but foundations. What do I want this to carry? What must never crack beneath the weight? These are the questions that echo beneath everything we build. In a world obsessed with speed, we begin with stillness. In a world chasing scale, we choose structure. Foundations are not just where we begin. They are what we return to when things tremble. They are what remains when the world has forgotten what truly matters. Let this week begin not with noise, but with knowing. Not with action, but with alignment. This is not week 1. This is the beginning of everything that will last. Let it rise. Let it root. Let it endure.